When you go to plan in Google Docs, we want you to use one doc per class. So this way you're not going file, new, and creating a new document for each week of the term. You should just have one long running document with all of the weeks on it. So you'll notice this is an old plan. It's 20 pages long because it's got all the weeks of the semester on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. What you're going to do is you're going to Control C and copy. Oh, sorry. First, you're going to select the previous week's plan and you're going to Control C. That will copy it. Now you put your cursor at the top. I spaced down one and Control V. You'll notice I'll get a duplicate of the previous week. So now all I have to do is go in and change dates. So this will become August 30th to September 3rd. And then all I have to do is swap out my dates, and I can just select across the row and delete. So this becomes 831. Select across the row and delete. Another option, if you want this to go a bit faster, would be to just keep a blank weekly template, either in a different document, so you can just copy it and paste it over, or you could keep it at the bottom of this document. But notice when we plan, we want the newest week on top, so students don't have to scroll down to find it. And we want everything done in one document so that they're not opening multiple pages to try to find what they're looking for. I can go in and do some easy plans right at the beginning. And it's a pretty easy week for me because I only have seniors. So I can just paste in across the rest of the days. All right, so then I've got to go in and do my do now, my lesson procedures and activities, and my homework for 831, but my planning for the first week is pretty light. So now when you want to add to your plan, just copy the previous week over and keep it at the top. So immediately when people click on your plans, they can see the most current information at the top, and to find previous information, all they have to do is scroll further down the page, or they can always Control F and find when their next quiz is, something like that. If you have any questions, please let me know.